Has anybody actually done any research into intention, magic, law of attraction, or any other names, modern names for magic? Hi, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com, and if you're new to Wicca and Witchcraft and you want to find out more about it or how you can train to be a witch or a Wiccan, hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss anything. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the intention experiments, which were conducted by a woman called Lynne McTaggart, and she's written quite a few books. This one is called The Intention Experiments. She's also written another book called Circle of Eight, and there's other books as well. And she's dedicated quite a number of years of her life to experimenting with this thing known in the mainstream communities as intention. And to her astonishment, because she was a bit of a skeptic and quite a rational thinker to start with, there does seem to be evidence through her experimentation that we humans do have an effect on the environment around us. We have the ability to speed up healing of leaves. We have the ability to kill bacteria. We have the ability to heal ourselves and each other. And two of the interesting things that have come out of my reading with her was, number one, she wanted to do an experiment to see if our intention can affect people and animals and plants in a positive way regarding, for example, healing. A lot of people said, yes, but if people know how to do this, won't they also be applying it also to harm? And so it was really difficult for her to find some kind of an experiment that was ethical to see whether the same happens in reverse. So if we can heal with our intentions, then can we harm with our intention? And so they ended up choosing bacteria as the guinea pig. And what they discovered was, as they did experiments, so they did the normal type of experiment where you don't have any intention on something at all. Then you do have a group of people sending intention and doing that experiment a number of times to see whether you get the same results. And what they found was that it seemed from the results that sending negative intention to harm or kill the bacteria actually did have an effect on the bacteria. So that's an interesting one for people to chew on. Another interesting thing that came out of her experiments with groups of people was that when people got together and sent out healing energy, or even energy in regards to helping people in other ways, such as improving their finances, for example, the participants who were sending the healing discovered that things were going on in their own lives that reflected the similar results. So they were also getting healing for things that they may have had wrong. Their finances also were being affected positively by the sending of healing or financial increase or whatever it was that they were sending to the other person. And so what the experiments seem to be showing is that the possibility that what we do send out does actually spill back to us in some way. So it may not be like the threefold law, which is sort of a traditional Wiccan thing, but there does certainly seem to be some kind of magical spill that happens that when something is sent out, particularly if it's towards other people, that the people sending out do seem to get some sort of spill or carryover themselves. So I'm not going to go into too much detail about what was in the experiments because I'm really lousy at relaying that kind of information. But if you are interested, go to a library or buy the books. Her name's Lynne McTaggart. This book is The Intention Experiments. I'll keep it held up there. And the other one is called Circle of Eight. And it is all about experimenting simply with magic. What we call magic, what they call intention. So just thought I'd share that with you because we don't really get a lot of people doing experiments with magic in that more scientific, double-blind type of environment. So it's really good when you do hear about people doing that, even if it is in the mainstream culture, even if they don't understand anything about magic, at least people are out there having a look around. So hope you enjoyed that. If you're interested in following it up, do check out those books. And if you like the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to share it with your friends. I'm on Facebook, so if you want to go down underneath this video and find my Facebook page, please go and like and follow that as well, because I also do weekly videos there too. So I will see you next video. Blessed be.